Hello everyone, I am Krishna Mehta. In this tutorial, we will watch how to use the infogram tool. Now I will share my screen. So as you can see, this is the main page of the infogram. It contains of so many templates. So first of all, we will explore all of its templates one by one. So here the first option is of infographics. Just click on it. In infographics, you can see various kinds of templates. So let's click on one of its templates. So we will just click, I will select process template and we will click on the button use. Or if you want to create your own template, you can select blank template. So I will use this template. So let's click on the use. So here I am using the public version of the infogram. So let's give it a name. So we will give the name test and create it. So as you can see, our the template is created with name test. It is a we can also modify the template. Here the process 1 and process 2 are given and they based on the charts. We can also modify the charts by clicking on it on a single click. If we double click on it, we can find the GDP. This is the chart of GDP actually. So if we want to change, suppose in place of USA, we will put some other country. Let's say India. In place of China, we may put Australia. Or we can change the value. As you can see, if we change the value, let's see, our changes has been reflected in the chart. We can also give access to the Google Drive document, so it will directly take the value from the document from the Google Drive, or we can upload the file from the our PC or desktop, and we can also connect it to the SQL database server or Oracle or Microsoft SQL server, etc. So let's click on the chart. This is the same as we have done it previously, but if we single click on it, we can modify the chart. Which chart we need to put? Suppose it is given here pie chart, but no, I need to put a bar graph on it. So let's click on the bar graph change. So as you can see here, the bar graph has been created. We can also decide the width of the column, the height, and the transparency effect. Now, if we go on to the chart properties, we can see some of the various values. If we click on hide tabs, it will hide our tabs. Second is colors. We can choose the chart color if we want some other color. So here I will select purple. So as you can see, the chart has been changed to purple color. This is also the same way. Now let's move on to the another project. So here the second option is of report. So as you can see, there are various templates of the reports. The first one is resume report. Second is of which we used in the magazine, and so many other templates that will directly give you one of the starting means a great front page of your given project. Now let us move on to the slides. So this is as if we create the presentation. If we want some good slides, see, this is the product presentation. This is about blog presentation, data presentation, or simply if you want your own style, we can select blank template. Now let's move on to the another function, that is dashboards. In dashboard, we may see if we want to create one of the detailed report of the things, we can use dashboard. So let's, if you just want to select how it will look, we can just click on the preview. I will show it to you again. Preview button. It will show you how it will exactly look. Suppose this is of the total users, average users, and how many of them are monthly paying. That is the pro users. This is the chart. Let's use this template and name it users. Create it. So as you can see, a template has been created. We can also change the values of the user. So if you want, here there is a comparison of the free users versus the users which use the pro version of it. So we may also add one new month. Let's add June, and active ticket is, let's say, 269. As you can see, it is reflected in the chart. We have added the month June with number 269, so it is reflected. If you want to make the column chart to be a pie chart, then we'll simply click on the change button, and we see there are in pie chart there are also so many options, that is semicircle, irregular, pie, donut. So let's click on pie, simple pie chart if we need to create. Okay. So as you can see, it shows the same amount with same colors as we have seen in the bar graph, but it is in the form of pie chart. So as you can see, there are so many templates which you can use. If you upgrade it to a pro version, you may get access to all of its templates. But there are also so many nice templates in the free version also. Now let's go back. If you want to create the thing related to social media, as you can see, the topic climate change is in a very very in trend. Climate change due to global warming. Review this topic. As you can see, it shows the where is the climate change and what the change is. This is the direct template which you can put. You can add your values and you can give it. You can post it. So many posters are there. Means this can be also be done for business purpose also. As you can see here, there is a picture of a car, selling of a car. Let's click on the next button, that is of posters. So if you want, if you are interested to create some of the poster of the any of the events, so if you want to create the poster of a science fair, here it is the poster. You can also customize according to your own way, or if you want to do the poster from starting all of your own way, you can use the blank portion. It is a very simple to use. Let's create on the blank template and we will say poster. So there are many options available. If you want you can add background image from here. See, there are many background images available. You can search your own way. I have selected this. If you want any other, you can also select that. You can also upload your own background image from the system. Now let's do, this is the one report which I have created. If all of your reports are here, suppose we have created the poster users test report. This I have already created. If you want to edit it, you can simply click on the edit button and see it is available to edit. Same way you can make all the charts, you can add all the columns, you can import your Excel file directly into the system, so it will work. It will directly put all of the values. Let's say I will, it is reflected now properly. The values which I have taken has so much values, so it is difficult. Now you can see the chart has been replaced. So as you can see, you want to change the color. You can also change the color by simply clicking on it and click on the available colors. As you can see, the color has been changed to differentiate between two of them. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you and have a nice day.